Okay, today the date is 30th of September. Okay, and the time is 10:30. Okay, today is our regular webinar for our graduates. Okay, let's get started. We look at the market first. For those that are here every week, thanks for being here. And I think it will be useful for you all because we have been doing our webinar fairly regularly recently. Okay, so from last week we mentioned that market may pull back a bit. Okay, right now we can see from here the price is pulling back. Okay, you can see for S&P 500 it is pulling back right now. We from oversold position right now. Okay, and pulling back into the MA again. Okay, things to take note. Okay, in this pullback. Okay, number one is there is no recent high. So we have a weekly charts here. There's a high. Over here there isn't a recent high. Okay, so that is one of the things to take note of on the weekly charts. Okay, weekly charts did not hit new high on this pullback. Okay, right now we are in the pullback right now. Okay, we are in a pullback right now. We should be looking at an further pullback. Okay, back into this 2MA inside this 2 region of this MA. So right now it's still on the move downwards, and okay, so that's it. Okay, so the trend line, you can see the trend line is over here, and we have this pullback into our MA. Okay, so going forward, the next 2 to 3 weeks, we should still be looking for correction. Okay, pullback correction into our MAs. Okay, on the daily charts. Okay, on daily charts, we have swing trade setup. Okay, we have a swing trade setup. Okay, some things to take note again. We do not have a recent high. Okay, for this side, we do not have a recent high, and then a price pullback. Okay, this pullback. Let's take a look at this pullback. This pullback is also not so measured. Okay, we have actually price coming down this way and opening high, close low, play close low, black candle. Right now, okay, into our moving average. If of course, what we want to see right now for the bullish, we want to look for candles to shorten. Okay, we do not want to look for candles that lengthen, like this case, short down candle, then long down candle again. This is not what we want for the bulls. We want to look for a shorter candle. Okay, a stop of the a reduction of the move downwards, okay, which give us a swing trade setup, okay, on the short term. Okay, so at the moment still looks like it's coming down. Okay, still looks like it's coming down. No stoppage yet. Okay, let's see how it goes on the daily charts for the next few days. Okay, what we want to see for bullish is to wait for the candle to go shorter and then reverse up this way. Okay, something to take note on this swing up. Okay, on this swing up, we should know that this doesn't have recent high. Okay, this doesn't have recent high, so this may not be such nice setup right now. Okay, Chihao, maybe later specifically you can ask for your stocks. Okay, whatever trade you're doing, you can look at your specific stock. Okay, so S&P 500 weekly swing should be taking profit already, right? S&P 500. I'm not sure why you didn't take profit. S&P 500 already 5 weeks already, right? We have mentioned this in the webinar before. Okay, we count here. Oversold 1, 2, 3. Take already, all taken already. I think you're too slow. Okay, too slow. Okay. Right now, price is going overbought. Okay, doji candle come turn down 1 week already. It's way too slow. Okay, way too slow. Okay. Right now, guys, can you see this? See this or not? Here from here 1 up 2, 3, 4, 5, completed already. Okay, and then you have wasted another 1 week here. I don't know why you will waste another 1 week here. Okay, so unless you want to look for the mark say the 2 to 1 and it's your decision. Okay, it's your decision. If you want to look for like 2 to 1 and things like that, okay, then your trading stop will be here. Of course, then you're taking a bigger risk also. Okay, got it? Okay, if you are taking a 2 to 1 and things like that, then you will use mark method to take the profits. Okay, but for me, I prefer to lock in some profit and swing trade. Okay. Okay, Jiha, okay, can I? Okay, let's move on. If you're looking 2 to 1, then you look for trading stop. Okay, trading stop or some kind of stop. Okay. Let's move on. Next one is Nasdaq. Nasdaq 100. Okay, at the end of the day, have a plan. Whatever plan you have, take profit, stop loss should have a plan. Okay. So again, we have this candle for oversold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, or 4 candle here. Price coming down back to my MA. Price going into my oversold region. Not yet. Okay, not yet into oversold region. Things to notice, we didn't make a recent high also. Okay, we didn't make a recent high on this chart. Price pulling back. MA slightly flattened also. Okay, so I mentioned in the Facebook group, next few weeks maybe looking for pullback. Okay, looking for pullback into our MA. Okay. What else? That's about it. Okay, I think nothing much. Daily charts. Daily charts price is below my MA. Okay, price is below my MA and below my 50 moving average. Okay, so I don't think there is a daily swing setup ready, because from here we have this down move. Okay, we see this line is not sloping up. Okay, and this price downward is also not as measured pullback. Okay. To answer Susan's question, one of the things we talk about swing trade is to select stocks. We also always want to have a recent high. Okay, recent high, so that is going uptrend. Okay, so that is going uptrend, so that we should always have a recent high over here for the pullback. Okay, if it doesn't have a recent high, then we do not take this high. Okay, we do not take this trade, or we can choose to trade. Okay. Any question? The measured pullback, that means look at the candle. The candle are rather long, okay, versus the up move. Okay, this is the up move here. Okay, this up move here. So this up move from here to here, upwards. Okay, and then this down move is quite a steep drop. Okay, what we want to look for is measured pullback. Like example, from here to here, price goes up, come down. This is measured. Got it? Okay. Nasdaq, is it forming head and shoulder? Is too early to say. Okay, way too early to say whether it's a head and shoulder patterns right now. Okay, too early. Okay. Let's move on. If you have any question, continue to ask me. It's okay. Okay. So next is Hang Seng. Okay, Hang Seng, we talk about this long-term buy over here, price coming back down right now on the way down. Okay, right now on the way down, still coming down. Okay. Any question? Next 2 weeks, you should be coming down. Okay, watch for this support. Watch for this support, whether this support will be broken. Okay. This support is over here. Okay. If this is broken, then we can look for the next support. Okay, next support will be maybe around here. Okay, I think all these areas, right? These areas are at level that you can actually buy if you're long term. That means you buy, don't sell one. Okay, these two levels here and here, areas that you can buy and buy for long term. Okay, buy and then just investment. Okay, I think these are good areas to get in. Okay, for trading, okay, we can see this setup, price coming up, CCI high, yes or no, and then price coming down on the way down. Right now, second week down. Any question on Hang Seng? Okay, so any question on Hang Seng? No question, let me move on. Next, we look at STI. Okay, STI are quite similar. Okay, we have this high looking at backwards. So all these stocks didn't make new high, right? Okay, all this didn't make new high, and our price is coming down. So right now we're testing the low. Okay, we're testing the low of here. Okay. When the recession come, okay, or if when the recession come, right, we should be looking at price going into here. Okay, this is all the recession period. Okay, from here, Asia financial crisis, SARS. This is a global financial crisis. I can draw it down a bit. Okay, global financial crisis. This is Euro crisis. This area here, I think these are all crisis level buy. Okay, crisis level buy, but haven't reached yet. Okay, there's one level here. I think the next level is around maybe the December. December low, last year December low. Okay, yeah, end of December the low. Okay. Okay, so this area I think is a good level to get in for long-term buy. Okay, for shorter term weekly charts, we are looking for down next 2-3 weeks should be still heading down, testing this support, going into this area. Short-term daily charts is just down. Okay, nothing much on daily charts. No setup. Okay. Remember to mute remember to mute yourself, Stephen. Remember mute yourself. If not, everybody can hear you. Okay. So, any question on the STI? Okay, just to summarize, very long-term investors should still be looking to buy. These are all crisis level buy. Okay, investors, look out. You want the blood on the street. Okay, these are all the blood on the street levels. Okay, here, right, Asia financial crisis, global SARS, global financial crisis area. Okay, we should looking at all this area. Okay, not there yet. Okay, not there yet. Maybe another 10-15%. Okay, 10-15% down. Okay, I think we should be looking at buy. Okay, for the top, okay, it can be even like 30%. Okay, but right now, at this moment, we still maybe have another 15% to go. Okay, to buy. Okay, this is for long-term buy. Short-term daily charts, swing trade, 1 month. 1 month, we should be looking for down move. Okay, and 1 week, no trade. Okay, 1 week trade. So this should apply to all. That means should apply to both Nasdaq, Singapore, Hong Kong. Next 2-3 weeks should be still down, and daily charts no trade. Okay. For Trader GPS one, you must look out for the setup. Okay, when the individual setup, okay, individual stocks will have individual setup. Okay. Okay, now let's look at your individual stocks. Let's choose 5 and then many stocks. BRSN, fourth arrow with deep shorter on second arrow. Let's support now. Anyway, we can look at it. Okay, let's take a look. VRSN. Oh, this is a very bearish stock. Okay, this is a very bearish stock. I saw this stock also. Okay, so still coming down, Bruce. I think this is still coming down, even though it's at support. Okay, I think this one still got room to go down. Okay, look at the daily charts. Like yesterday, the last few days, okay, price goes up, open high, close low, with teeth, with arrow. I think it's still coming down. Okay, I think it's still coming down right now. Okay, we have this momentum down this way. Price consolidated a bit. Okay, I think we still should be looking for further down. If this thing drop, right, Bruce, I think you can hang on longer. If it goes below this, let's say 185. Can you all see from this chart here? This is a nice trend up. If it close below 185 and below, Bruce, then you write the trend. Okay, then you write the trend all the way down. Okay, I think back to here 166. Okay, if it goes below 185, if it goes below 185, I should see it dropping to 166. Okay, the word is if. Okay, around 166. Okay, below 185, I think it will go to 166. Can see? Okay, so this will be the level of support, and but I think you have a good chance, okay, because this price is coming down here in this daily charts, weekly swing, daily swing. So you're coming down here, oversold, then this is overbought, then go to oversold again here, then go to overbought again. You see, overbought again here, and then swing down again. So right now it's like candle 1 on the daily chart. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we can break below 185, okay, I think we are looking at over. So you got another 4 days to play. You get what I mean? You got 4 days to hope that it drop below 185, which is a good chance. Crowd. So we have here 1 oversold. Okay, then we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then overbought. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Then 1, 2, 3. Then it's here, right? So from here you got 1. Now you got another 4 days down to fight below 185, which is a good chance, right? Okay, so I think this is a good chance, a good risk reward also. Okay, you shot at second candle, which is first, second. I think it's here. Okay, I think good chance. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. Bruce, okay? Next one is GH daily sell, daily position sell, GH. Oh, this is nice. Okay. Daily position sell. Arrow number 1, arrow number 2, arrow number 1. Okay, no, doesn't matter, but I think this is nice. Okay, so this is first arrow, this second arrow. Right now it's a support. Okay, support right now. I think this one also coming downwards. Okay, so hang on. Okay, price is very sold right now. Okay, so it's possible that have some bounce. Okay, have some bounce up this way, but don't worry, use the 10 MA as a guide. Okay, use the 10 MA as a guide. So go 10 MA, go 10 MA if you still come down this way. Got it? Okay, so this is first one. Second one is those daily position sell should be okay. Hang on. SLB. This is strong downtrend, right? So you should look at this down. Okay, so daily position long. Okay, daily position long. Daily position long. Got no arrow. Correct. Now. On top of that, the mode also bearish, right? Oh, the mode also bearish, right? Okay. I think this one not too early. Okay. No buy signal. The mode also bearish. I think we talked about this before. Okay. Correct. Not? Mode is bearish. There's no buy arrow. Oh, yet, not yet. Okay. So too early. Okay. MU recently gapped down because of. Are you in the position? Okay, no answer. MU, I think the uptrend is finished, right? No more uptrend already. Okay, we have this parabolic upward move. Okay, parabolic upward move, which is here. We have this downward move, which is here. Then we form the W shape. Okay, but now it's not making higher high. I know the FA may be good and things like that, but in terms of TA, it is not making higher high already. Okay. Price will come down, maybe back to this MA again. Okay. TWTR. TWTR. Entered long position 2 months ago. Red candle. Do you think we should see it? Okay, this daily chart. Right? Okay. So we have the price here 2 months ago, should be September or July, right? July, August. Okay, so should be exit. Okay, should be exit. Okay, so we have this price down, candle here 1 day late already, right? So red candle appear, then this is Thursday, this is Friday, already exit. 141 was exit. Okay, 141.62 is exit. Okay, next INTU. This stock a bit gap. Okay, can you see? Oh, a bit gappy, but not that cannot trade. But just that is gappy. Oh, can you see here? All the gaps. At INTU. INTU first arrow rate, thinking of initial short, next support, is it okay? Yes, I think it's okay. The only thing is this one may be a bit too early, so it should stop below 2.9. I think, yeah. So the mode right now is still bullish. Okay, mode is still bullish. We want to wait for the price to go below here. Okay, go below at least a support, which is 1261. So I think below 259 is okay. Okay, below here is okay. This one is uptrend, and I think if it comes down, it will be quite long. Okay, so right now it's at the support, Bruce. So if it goes below this support, okay, if the candlestick turn rate, I think the confidence will be higher. Okay, will be higher. Quite a lot of tech are parabolic, right? I mentioned before. Okay, so I think this is okay. Put in your watch list. Okay, put in your watch list. WDC. These stocks all failed to make new high already, right? Since the recent high, which is here, all these stocks failed to make new high already. Entered position long, I think it's Trader GPS, right? Tech maybe not so good right now. Okay, I feel that tech maybe some of the stocks already parabolic. Okay, WDC, entered long position. What to do? This is arrow number 1, so you enter around here. 2, enter around here. Okay, I think this one also got to be careful. Okay, if it's small loss, I will also take. Okay, for tech. Okay, because next few weeks, right, maybe still be coming down, right? So I may want to cut loss. Okay, WDC. Okay, what about gold? Okay, GLD. Gold already take profit, right? So we have entry here, take profit already. Planet Fitness. Planet Fitness. Okay. Resting at support, it takes support. I think this one is coming down also. All these stocks, I think some of them went parabolic. Can you see? Oh. Okay, and then we have break support and then candlestick turn break. Okay, all this is can short on. Now resting at support at January, February level. Okay, so if you want to short, maybe wait for the pullback. Okay, wait for the pullback. So price is now coming down here, still on the way down. I think we come down a bit more. Okay, if the price come down a bit more, go up this way, then this MA go this way. Okay, then we can short. Okay, sorry, maybe like that. Redraw. Okay, so price may do this. Okay, and do this, and then price may go down this way. Oh, then we can short. Okay, got it. IN bit will come to 0. Okay, FB turn rate big support. Okay, I think some of the tech should get out because some of the tech I mentioned before, right? Some of the tech is parabolic. Okay, like this one make recent high, didn't make recent high, came back down. Okay, so all this, and then you calculate. Let's say example, we got another 2 weeks or 3 weeks of down. So likelihood this MA also break. Correct now. Okay, traders GPS, daily charts. This one green arrow. Last week don't have green arrow. Okay, green arrow was here, right? Okay, so this one also don't have teeth. Okay, don't have teeth. And also need to check the trend. Okay, generally you want uptrend. Okay, this one I think should sell. Okay, this arrow also no teeth. NVCR. NVCR is one that time remember we talk about parabolic. Okay, parabolic and coming down and things like that. Okay, from that time, that day that post right here until here drop already and now 20% already. Remember the high post around here? Oh, so okay, so a short will be later. If you want to look for the trader GPS, short will be later. Okay, maybe this time round when it go up and come down will be a short. Okay. CBS VIAB shorted. Do not do too many stocks. Okay, manage those position. Okay, so this is down move. Hang on. Okay, hang on to your move. Okay, so I think it's coming down. Okay, it is still coming down. Okay, so this is quite good. Continue to hold and think nothing much. Okay, let's continue to hold. VIAB also I think is down. Okay, continue to hold. Wow, this one never go up one. Okay, with VIAB, right? Jasmine, VIAB is at support, okay? It's a support, okay? So, and this support is like quite a huge support, okay? You see from here, 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 and here. And the price has been coming down, but the price is flattening, okay? It's flattening flat this way, okay? So if you're in profit, maybe sell, cover your BIAB. Your CBS can continue to go, okay? Your CBS can continue to go, okay? Okay, because CBS still downtrend, right? Okay. Next is tech stock is individual, cannot just anyhow whack the tech stock. But some of the tech stock parabolic already. I mentioned this 2 weeks ago, I think. Okay. Netflix is down. Hang on. I think it's going to go down on Netflix. Okay, so hang on. Okay, all this parabolic already. Okay, you go weekly charts, it's very obvious. Yes or no? Oh, okay. So I finished quite a lot of stocks today. Encourage you all to ask questions on the Facebook and things like that, so that you can continue to do from there. So conclusion for the next 1-2 weeks, I think market should still be pulling back. This is a pullback. Okay, I haven't go into downtrend yet. But you see some of the tech stock, it is not like S&P 500. S&P 500, you look at S&P 500, right? It is still generally up here. Okay, but you see some of the tech stock are already down here already. Correct now. Okay, some of the tech stock is already no longer. For example, Netflix. You see, Netflix weekly charts is already down here. The high was actually formed in July last year, things like that. Okay, so some of the tech stock are no longer recent high already. Correct. Okay, so these are things to take note. Okay, so in the month of October, be careful. Okay, usually October is not good for stocks. Okay, we have things like the Black October, so not so good for stocks. Okay, so should be more looking at bearish. Okay, but these are seasonality, so pinch of stock. Okay, if not, then thank you very much. Thanks everyone for being here. I hope it add value to you. Sorry if I didn't go very deep into your stocks and you want more clarification. Ask in Facebook. At time I will answer you. Okay. If not, then thank you very much. See you. Okay. Hang on. Before you go, Wednesday there is a preview. Don't have. This week nothing. Okay, never mind. This week got nothing. No announcement. Oh yeah, Saturday there is a foundation for trading class. If you haven't attended, okay, now can go attend. Okay, it's a full day class at only $28. Okay, only $28 for the full day. Okay, from 9 to 5. Okay, so if you have not attended before, you re-attend again. Come. Okay, so if not, then thank you. See you. $28 only. Bye.